Hey, it's Ranger 374 coming to you from the Bass Cave. I got a small tackle warehouse unboxing. It's my MTB replacement ever since I got rid of MTB. Um, ain't a big deal, it's some replacement stuff. A couple things I got for a boat and some other baits. But anyway, it's getting warm out there. Hope everybody's safe, catching some fish. Um, Definitely get a little warm here in the Northeast, but what do you expect? It's June now. So, anyhow, uh, I need, I always need trailers. Everybody always needs trailers. At least they think so. I got some, this time I got some Kitech 3.8s. Hope this glare ain't gonna kill things, but anyway, try to turn it. These are a fire tiger color, and I never saw these. I like the orange with the green. A couple swim jigs I like to throw with these. So they're the Kitech 3.8. I think that's about the right size. Like I said, that was a fire tiger. At least I can read, the colors on these ones, even though they have um, Japanese over top. Anyway, I got some black cherry and some electric June bug. So black and red and purple, June bug with the flake in it. I'll turn these so you can see them, but anyway, glare's always a mess in here. It's during the day. So anyway, purple, black cherry, black and red jig. Should work out. 3.8 size. I think's pretty good. I'll give her a shot. And of course, you get your TW decal. Got a lot of them. Let's see. I ended up losing a couple of these on my last tournament. I actually hung somebody's line one time and then just broke one off on a stump or something the next time. But I catch a lot of fish on these things. Rivers, reservoirs, ponds. It's a blue and chrome rattle trap in the mini. It's the 1/4 ounce size. I want you to read back, but it's 1/4 ounce size. Bill Lewis mini rattle trap. It's 1/4 ounce size. I catch them on a half too, but man, it's 1/4 ounce. It's just, when you want to go for numbers and a limit, you're gonna catch them quicker on this thing. It's just been a mainstay forever for me. And I got some TW. You always need these in your boat, and I got another set of the TW pliers for $3.99. They're pretty nice. They got the spring in them. That'll probably break eventually, but for $3.99, you just can't beat it. And they're got the rubber handle on them. They're nice. So I got another set of them, and I got another set of braid blades, eagle claws. These are $2.99. So if I lose a pair, I don't feel too bad. But for $2.99, I bought a couple pairs. You probably saw them in the other unboxing. But these are definitely new, and I've got a couple pairs of these now. But I really like these. They're nice. And going along with that, I got, never liked the plastic covers on my Lowrance electronics because they actually touch the screen on the inside. They got some kind of support things or something in there, but I just never actually like them because they press against the screen. So TW's got graph covers that are nylon, and they have a little, they got a little drawstring in them on the back where you can tighten them up on it. But I don't leave my graphs on my boat, so I'm moving them in and out, and just didn't like them plastic covers on the Lowrance. My Hummingbird's got a hard, you know, rubber cover on it that's flexible. It's nice. I wish Lowrance would do it. But anyway, so I bought two of these. I already got one behind me on one of my graphs. So I got two of these. These are nice and soft, flexible. You throw them on. Pretty good deal. That's all I got from Tackle Warehouse. But I did get something, and it's a JDM special, and I know there's somebody out there wanting to see these, but I got three. I actually got four, and I only got three in. These are the Gavacho frogs from Jackal, but they're JDMs and they're special colors. I can't tell you what colors they are because everything's in Japanese, but I know these two are the blue powder and chartreuse, and then the black and pink, and they have flames on the side of them, which that doesn't matter for, you know, fishing, but they look pretty cool. So I got another one here. This one, yeah, the black and pink one with some flames on it, blue and chartreuse. I'll keep moving these, so I don't know what the glare is doing, but cool frogs. And one of the other ones that I got, cool too, and I'll take this one out, but it's a Fire Tiger. So I love Fire Tiger crankbaits, and this is Fire Tiger. I'll take this one out real quick if I can. Yeah. These are, I fish a lot of the Spro popping frog, and these are about as close to a Spro popping frog as you're going to get. God, he's in the other thing. Anyhow, I love that Spro popping frog in black. This one, it's pretty close to a Spro popping frog, except it's got the long trailer on it, which is cool. It's got the white belly. I think the belly is the most important part. Either white or black. That's all I, you know, care about, a white or a black belly. But that's a cool frog. So it's Fire Tiger. Got that cup mouth for popping. I dig that thing. So I said, like I said, I got a couple more, or I got one more coming in a special color. It ain't coming here yet. But, and I got some other things. These are just off of eBay, and I just bought them off there because it's kind of quick to get some stuff. I got some Zoom Fluxes, some trailers. I got methylate and red shad. So they can either go on swim jigs, regular jigs, spinnerbait. I throw these on back of a spinnerbait as a trailer. You know, mostly the white ones, and the albino is a good one. But methylate, that's a killer bait anytime. And yeah, definitely these for swim jigs. I got midnight chartreuse and what they call hot tamales, just the red. But that black, that midnight black and chartreuse, definitely for a swim jig. The other one for a fire crawl, swim jig. Good trailers, you know, chatterbait. Use these on chatterbaits and swim jigs all the time. Got so many trailers for that stuff. I got bags now of trailers. And another cool one, and I'm going to keep showing you stuff I just pick up random. It's crazy. But I got a 6X, I got a couple 6XDs. I ain't going to pull them all out. Strike King 6XDs. But this one, it's a root beer. And I didn't even know they made a root beer. But it's got the white belly with the stripe on it. Back, root beer. See it. But I saw this, I'm like, I didn't even know they made root beer in Strike King, but they do. I don't know, like I said, I can't keep up with everything that comes out. I got some other crankbaits up there, I ain't even gonna bother showing to you. I'm all the time buying something off of eBay, but this is really cool. This was from back in the day when I actually bought my boat. I saw this, it's brand new, it's from the 90s, and it is a Hawaiian print Ranger boat cat. Now that screams old school Ranger. I got a 300 series, so obviously it's in the name of my title, but man, that's about as old school as they get. Thing's brand new. Obviously hadn't been worn, but I just thought that was cool. I was like, man, I remember them from back in the early 90s. So keep that one, and that's about it. Probably won't have a lot more of these Tackle Warehouse unboxing. I'm kind of burnt out on buying baits, so I think I got enough. Lord knows I might buy a reel or something from Japan, and eBay's a constant, but it's really cool to find these JDM frogs. Really like them. Joseph, let me know what you think. I got one more coming, and hope you're keeping an eye on them trailers for them swim jigs, because I'm going to let you in on it here soon. But anyway, hope everybody's out there catching some bass and staying safe. Pretty good year so far, so we'll see. Till next time, Ranger 374, and I'm out.